Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a deep dive into how to use Airtable to keep track of your study habits. First things first, create a new base in Airtable. Consider this your study tracking hub. This is where you'll store all your study records. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for your study data, making it easier to manage and analyze. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your tables. We're going to need 3: subjects, study sessions, and progress. Subjects will list all the subjects you're studying. Study sessions will detail each individual study session, and progress will provide an overview of your overall performance. This helps us because it categorizes your study data, which becomes essential when you start analyzing your study habits. Next up, we're going to populate the tables. Start with subjects. Enter all the subjects you're studying. Then move on to the study sessions table. Each time you sit down to study, create a new record detailing what subject you studied, how long you studied, and how productive you felt. This is crucial because it allows you to visualize your study sessions and identify patterns. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking the duration and productivity of your study sessions helps you identify the best time to study, the optimal duration of each session, and which subjects require more focus. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. All the data you're entering is being stored and can be viewed as a variety of charts and graphs via the progress table. This table allows you to see your study habits from a bird's-eye view, giving you insights into how you're doing overall. Finally, remember to consistently update your Airtable base. Consistency is key to tracking your study habits effectively. And that's it. You've now set up your Airtable base to track your study habits. With this, you'll have a clear understanding of your study patterns, helping you optimize your study routine for maximum productivity. Keep studying, keep tracking, and you'll see the improvements in no time. Thanks for watching.